Hello everybody, welcome back to Lindy Vanner. Today we are on the way to Brighton. We are going to go and visit our best friends Greta and Karly.
Woohoo!
You may be wondering how I'm filming and driving. Well, in fact, I'm not actually driving. Look who is. I'm not sure what's up with my face at the moment. It looks like I'm a ghost. But maybe if I block off some of the light. I'm still getting used to this new Osmo Mobile 3 gimbal thing. As you can tell, I'm having lots of fun playing with the joystick on it, but hopefully the video is pretty smooth. It was a nice birthday gift from Gabs.
Are we going towards Southampton?
We are going towards Southampton, yes. So we're off to Brighton to go and see our friends. We're going to have a barbecue on the beach. We're going to be very socially distanced. Yeah, it should be a good day out. We haven't seen Greta and Karly since March, I think, or maybe even February, since Jats. So it's going to be super nice to see them. Anyway, so we're on the way to Brighton. I'm going to try and work out how to use this gimbal and the app that comes with it. And yeah, we'll get back to you later when we get to Brighton. Van friend. That looks like a self-built camper van if I've ever seen one. Okay, we're almost in Brighton, thankfully. It's been quite an easy journey, I think. What do you reckon?
Yeah, it was pretty good. Van's running well.
Wake park there for wakeboarding. I know somebody that would really like that.
Shout out to my little brother, Addis.
Well, we've just got back to Brighton and we can't believe this construction that's happening here.
Whoa.
All Brighton University. It's not like it was when we went to uni here. Huge development, crazy. But it's nice to be back in Brighton. So how was the journey? How was the drive?
Yeah, it was good. Hit a couple of curbs there, but I'm still a new driver, so I'm getting used to the van and how big it is, but it's nice, very comfortable. You can see everything from above. Good trip.
Cool, we've just arrived at the big yellow self-storage place, so we're gonna go and stick our stuff in the unit and then make our way to the beach.
Excited to see you. Big hugs.
Hello!
That's what.
Yeah, that's what kids do.
Quality time with friends. Quality time with friends. So, did you enjoy the barbecue?
No, it was so shit. I was just sat there the whole time like, it's gonna end. Oh, I loved it. Loved it. Loved it. I like it. Is this what celebrities do like? They just like walk and leave. Yeah, I don't know how to act in a vlog. Do you like act natural or do you have to be like all funny and stuff? I can only be funny.
You just be yourself, Karly. That's more than enough.
But this is the thing, it doesn't come out on camera. Vlog, do you realise? This is going on the vlog. It's not blue.
No, it's not, Greta.
That was maybe corona not free. Maybe you can't. I love vans. Yeah.
Oh, the fridge is open.
Oh my god, you've got like 2 floors. The new lights there. So have you seen it? You've seen it? I've seen a little bit of it, but I didn't see the backsplash. I didn't see the matches.
I don't think I have.
And do you like it?
It's pretty.
Oh, shit.
Got this from Amazon and it's gonna go so you can get ready.
Where's the pee-pee place?
Underneath
That's the pee-pee.
and then you can like. I think
No, that's the fridge.
Oh,
see, I know.
The best bit.
Woo! That's when you can
like,
take really
sit on
good
there.
pictures because it looks like you've got circles in your eyes.
Yeah.
That's like really good for self.
Dance selfies. PP is this is the number 2. There's number 1 and number 2. Yeah. So this is the number.
Still like van life?
Wow, that's glamorous. I love the silence. Wow. Damn. That is wow.
Did it?
This is the garage.
Oh my god, that's like proper. Damn. You can fit the whole bike in there.
We're banging up that. The van would be going like this.
That's correct.
It'd be like,
There's little stairs. If the van's rocking, don't come knocking.
can you have that as your Instagram bio? You know, we have the description. Lindy van, if the van's rocking, don't go. Oh my god, this is incredible, guys. Like, I'm so impressed. It's insane.
But I mean, like definitely, we learned from the first one. I don't think we could have done it first time.
I'm impressed that you've done it twice. Wait,
It was nice to see you guys. Thanks for having the barbecue.
Hug yourself.
Hug yourself.
Hug the paw. I'll hug Greta for you.
I'll hug Gabby for you.
Yay! Bye!
Bye!
I know we're going that way. Oh, yeah.
Bye! Bye! I miss those guys.
So we're on the way home. We just had a lovely afternoon on the beach with our friends. We had a little socially distanced barbecue with Greta and Karly, and it was just lovely to enjoy the sun and the sea and be outside and see people finally. But as we can't stay overnight, we're just heading home now. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it was good fun. It was nice to see the guys.
I drove to Brighton and Sam's driving us back. It's nice to share the driving now. We can both drive the van. As I said before, I'm still relatively a new driver, and it's quite tricky to get used to the van, especially its length and not being able to see and kind of gauge all its edges and stuff. Hey yo, the only way to learn is to keep doing it. Sam's been really patient with my driving, so I appreciate that.
Oh, have I?
Yeah, you're a good teacher.
Oh, thanks.
Okay, well, thanks for joining us on our little trip to Brighton. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Please click subscribe, like the video if you enjoyed, follow us on Instagram. We'll be posting more frequently now as we can slowly start moving about. We will continue with van upgrades. We got a couple exciting things that we will be adding to the van. See you soon.
Over and out.
Over and out. I get it. Nice.
3, 2, 1.
Over and out.